Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is United States Armed Force Part 3. Surveillance and reconnaissance capability and capacity from forward deployed location and globally distributed center to support worldwide operation. Provide rapid global mobility to employ and sustain organic air and space force and other military service and US Special Operation Command and Force as directive include airlift force for airborne operation, air logistical support, tanker force and light of refueling and assets for aeromedical evacuation. Provide agile compact to support enhance the air and space campaign and deployed employment sustainment and redeployment of air and space force and other force operating within the air and space domain to include joint air space and armed force other than which is organic to individual military service and US Special Operation Command. Coordination with the other military service, combatant commands and US government department agencies. Conduct global personal recovery operation including theater-wide compact and civil search and rescue in coordination with the other military service, combatant command and DOD commands. Conduct global integrated command and control air and space operation. Compact Air Force 2 F-22A Rabbit from the 19th Fighter of Squadron Compact Air Force CAF and compressed majority and Air Force Compact Power consisting fighter bomber intercontinental ballistic missile and Special Operation Force Air Force fighter force are led by Air Compact Component 15th Air Force with other fighter unit under the specific Air Force of the Pacific United States Air Force, Europe Air Force, fighter predominantly used to achieve air superiority and strike enemy ground and naval force. Air Force operate expanding force 5th generation fighter for F-22A Raptor. Stealth fighter is designed to replace F-15C superiority operation carrying 2 AIM-9 Sidewinder and 6 AIM-120 AM RAM missiles. It also significant air-to-ground mission carrying 2 GPC-32 Joint Direct Attack bombs in addition of 2 AIM-9 and 2 AM-120 missiles. Ultimately, F-22 intended to replace the 6th generation fighter next generation air dominance program F-22 complementary by the more numerous F-35A Lightning II multi-role stealth fighter, which are the process replacing F-16C fighter and A-10 attack aircraft are superiority and ground attack role include the nuclear strike missile. Air Force still operate extremely sizable force 4th generation fighter F-15C Eagle dedicated to superiority fighter while the F-15C Strike Eagle was modified dual role strike fighter carrying both conventional and nuclear weapons. F-15C Eagle and F-15E Strike Eagle are both being replaced by F-15EX Eagle 2, which is significantly more advanced F-16C Fighting Falcon multi-role fighter that served the primary Air Force and fighter of decades including dual cable tactical nuclear strike fighter. Thunderbolt 2 attack aircraft was first Air Force fighter specially designed for close air support mission operating against enemy ground force light naval ships with GAU-8 Avenger Gatling cannon and array of the air-ground munitions. Air Force Bomber Force are organized under the Air Force Global Strike Command's 8 Air Force executing long-range strike Operation B-2A Spirit Stealth Bomber Cable connecting both conventional and nuclear. Operation Flying Through Air Defense B-1B Lancer Contrast Supersonic Bomber that carry only conventional munition and serve the backbone of bomber force. Both B-2A Spirit and B-1B Lancer are being replaced B-21 Raider Stealth Bomber which can be equipped both conventional and nuclear munition. B-52H Strand Fortress and long range heavy bomber Air Force flown since 1950 and operates variety of conventional and nuclear munition including AGM-86 air-launched cruise missile. Air Force Intercontinental Ballistic Missile Force are organized under Air Force Global Strike Command 20th Air Force serving land component and nuclear. LGM-30G Minuteman III serve as only the ballistic missile operated by Air Force with 400 stationed Horned siles. LGM-30G will be replaced LGM-35A Sentinel Intercontinental Ballistic Missile. Formation of CV-22 Ospreys from 353rd Special Operation Group. Air Force Special Operation Force are organized under Air Force Special Operation Command and consisting both Special Operation Aviation Aerospace Special Tactics Airmen Ground AC-130J as the gunships Ghost Rider gunship have primary mission close air support, air interdiction using cannon and precision guided munitions. MC-130J Commander 2 also variant C-130 Hercules fly exfiltration and resupply operation special operation force along with connecting air-to-air refueling helicopter. Osprey at the aircraft used to infiltration exfiltration of special operation force will not be under the Air Force Special Operation Command rescue operation supported by HC-130J Compact King 2 and HH-60 W Jolly Green 2 compact rescue aircraft MQ-9 Reaper also serve remotely piloted intelligence and strike aircraft serving under the Air Force Special Operation Command and Air Combat Command. Air Force Special Tactics or Ground Special Warfare Force US Air Force integrating air ground operation special tactics conduct 4 core mission global access to team access to open airfield ranging from international airport dirt strips and permissive hostels and location facilitated landing and operation air force precision of strike team and are trained to direct aircraft and other force to conduct kinetic and non-kinetic strike well away humanitarian aids probe and special tactics team also conduct personal recovery mission possessing significant medical rescue experience and finally special operation surgical team connected by surgery and medical operation battlefield operation to support special operation. Air Force also operate wide array reconnaissance aircraft under Air Combat Command 16th Air Force including RQ-4 Global Hawk drone and U-2 Dragon Lady and RC-135 River Joint Air Force operation and typically supported by command and control aircraft such as E-3 Sentry Airborne Warning Control System. E-3 Sentry is in the process being replaced E-7A Weight Tail. Mobility Air Force KC-46A Pegasus Refueling C-17A Globemaster 3 Mobility Air Force MAF organized under Air Mobility Command and comprises Air Force airlift and air refueling aeromedical and evacuation process. Airlift Force operate 3 different major aircraft C-5M Super Galaxy largest aircraft Air Force serving strategic transport aircraft C-17A Globemaster 3 Airlift Force most flexible aircraft conducting both strategic and tactical airlift operation. It also capable conducting airborne operation, army and aerial resupply through air dropping cargo. Finally, C-130J Super Hercules tactical airlift connecting both cargo airlift and supporting army airborne operation. Other major airlift platform include VC-25 with serve of personal plane, President of Interstate better known as Air Force One. Air Force also operate 3 major aerial refueling tanker KC-46 Pegasus, most modern tanker refueling aging KC-10A extenders and remaining tanker KC-135 Strado tanker which was flown since 1950 tanker also capable conducting limited airlift operation. Air Force Command US Air Force organs into 9th major command which conduct majority of the service organs, train, equip, function and command force attached component commands as Joint Air Force component and commands. ES Space Force Boeing X-37B space plan after deorbiting and landing. Interstate Space Force ESSF is the Interstate Armed Force Space Force and its newest military branch originally established 2019 trace history through the Air Force Space of Command and Western Development Division 1954. Interstate Space Force Principal Space Service responsible for the space warfare operation. US Space Force composed regular Space Force not yet having organized serve the component outside Air Force. US Space Force organized under the Department of Air Force which is a military department under the leadership of Secretary of Air Force under the Secretary of Air Force. US Space Force itself led by the Chief Space Operation and Vice Chief of Space Operation, both general who are advised by Chief Master Sergeant Space Force. Delta 4 heavy launch for the NROL-44 mission. 5 core competencies of the Space Force are space security, compact power projection, space mobility and logistics, information mobility, space domain awareness. 5 specified functions Space Force provide freedom, operation and interstate in form of space, provide prompt and sustained space operation, product and interest the interstate in space, deter aggregation from the space, contact the space operation, orbital warfare and space electromagnetic warfare, space for compact power center around the space delta 3 which connect the space electromagnetic warfare space delta 9 which conduct orbital warfare, compact power projection operation ensure freedom in action space, US and allies Dennis and advisory of freedom action in space. There are divided into offensive and defensive space operation. Defensive operation preserves the product and US and allied space capability which is further subdivided into active and passive action. Offensive operation target US advisory of space counter space capability achieving space superiority. Orbital warfare force connect product and defend operation and providing yes national decision authority with response option to deter and when necessary defeat orbital threats. And while space electromagnetic warfare force connect offensive and defensive space control operation and space force cyber conduct defensive cyber operation to protect space assets. Cyber operation is satellite control network. Satellite control network antenna and point space force station. Although US Space Force not cyber force, it does conduct the extensive cyber operation under the space delta 6 primarily focused space force cyber operation is defining US Space Force network and ensuring operation spacecraft which are controlled by remotely from ground station. All space operation unit have the cyber squadron as and defend them to incorporating offensive and cyber operation. Additionally, space delta 6 responds for managing satellite control network, globe network antenna used and communicate with the service spacecraft. 22nd Space Operations Squadron responsible for overall operation with the 21st Space Operations Squadron and 23rd operation of the squadron managing the ground station sites at Vandenberg Space Force Base, New Boston Space Force Station, Ainabai Space Force Station, Diogo Garcia, Guam, Greenland and United Kingdom. Space Domain Awareness. Space Force Space Delta 2 operate interstate space surveillance network, tracking 47th object space of 2022. Space Domain Awareness encompasses the identification of characteristics and understanding any factor associated with the space domain that could affect the space operation. Space Delta 2 sensor include AN/FPS 85 phased array radar in Eglin Air Force Space Fence Radar and Quadrant Adult operated by 20th Space Surveillance Squadron and the global network for 3 ground-based electro-optical deep Space Surveillance Telescope operated by 15th Space Surveillance Squadron. 18th Space Defense Squadron collocated with the Combined Space Operations Center execute command and control the Space Surveillance Network and manages the space catalog all subject Earth orbit. 19th Space Defense Squadron focuses on object for the lunar space beyond geosynchronous orbit with a specific focus on supporting NASA Artemis program, other humans flight operation. Missile warning deployed of defense support program missile warning spacecraft from Space Shuttle Atlantis on the STS-44 mission. Space Force Space Delta 4 uses orbital spacecraft and ground-based radar to conduct theater and strategic missile warning for interstate and international partner. These include network upgraded early warning radar, BEAD Air Force and Base Clear Space Force Station, CAP COD Space Force Station at Pidufuk Spaceways and RAF Piling Dells along with the AN/FPQ 16 PARCS radar at Earlier Space Force Station. Currently Space Force working with the Missile Defense Agency acquiring long-range discrimination radar to clear Space Force Station in Alaska. These ground-based radars contribute to the space surveillance network, space-based missile warning system including program and space-based infrared system SIBRS, spacecraft which are infrared sensor to conduct missile defense and missile warning. SIBRS is also the battle space awareness and technical intelligence mission. The defense support program spacecraft are also capable of detecting nuclear detonation. Addition to space mission launches, globe positioning and system military satellite communication. Members of 4th Space Operations Squadron Mobile Operation Flight conducting Armed Convey Farm Operation. The Space Force Space Delta 8 is the operated global positioning system and military array communication spacecraft. Global positioning system operated by 2nd Space Operations Squadron providing positioning, navigation and timing information information for civilian military user across entire world. Space Force GPS system has become integral element into global information infrastructure being used virtual all sector economy including agriculture, aviation, marine transportation, surveying, mapping and transit navigation, timing signal used to synchronize global communication system, electrical power grids and financial network. Global positioning system also has secondary mission carrying nuclear detection and detection of sensor. Military satellite communication system include the Fleet Satellite Communication System UHF followed on satellite mobile user objective and system operated by 10th Space Operations Squadron and inherited from US Navy. Payloads on wide band global SATCOM defense satellite communication system operated by 53rd Space Operations Squadron role inherited from US Army. Finally, spacecraft operation wideband global SATCOM and defense satellite communication system are connected by 4th Space Operations Squadron addition Milestar and advanced extremely high frequency satellite which both additionally support command and control strategic nuclear force. Space launch. Space Force Space Launch Enterprise organs under the Space System Command with the Space Launch Delta 30 managing western range of Vedant. Space Force Base and Space Launch Delta 45 managing eastern range from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. SpaceX Starship and contender of rocket cargo program. Space Force does not just manage military space launch but also support NASA and commercial space launch. Major space launch vehicle flown from scheduled fly of the Space Force launch ranges include NASA Space Launch System, SpaceX Starship, Falcon Heavy and Falcon 9 Inter-Launch Alliance of Vulcan which will replace Atlas V and Delta I. 4 heavy currently vehicle for national security space launch program include the Vulcan Atlas F, V, Falcon Heavy and Falcon 9 rockets. An experimental program Air Force Research and Laboratory Vanguard program Space Force leads rocket cargo exploring using rocket supplemented and naval and air transfer rapidly deliver supply to force across the earth. Current contender include SpaceX Starship rocket. Space Force Command. Space Force organized into the 3 field command and multiple component field commands which is a Joint Force Space Component Command and Unified Component Compounds. Name US Coast Guard USCGC Hamilton WMSL 753 sailing alongside USCGCS William Flores and FBC WFC 1103 Interstate Coast Guard USCG Interstate Armed Force, Maritime Security, Maritime Search and Rescue and Maritime Law Enforcement Force, first established in 1790, United States Revenue Marine and consists of regular Coast Guard and Coast Guard's Reserve, although always one of the 6 military branches host Department of Homeland Security. Under the leadership of Secretary of Homeland Security, Deputy Secretary of Homeland Security during the time of our US Coast Guard can be transferred to Department of Navy. Coast Guard itself led by commanded by the Coast Guard of Vice commanded by Coast Guard of both Admiral advised by Master of Chief Petty Officer and the Coast Guard. Coast Guard Maritime Security Response Team executing boarding action from MH-60 Jayhawk helicopter. Coast Guard has 6 major operational mission program through which execute 11 statutory mission: maritime law enforcement, maritime response, maritime prevention, maritime transfer system management, maritime security operation, defense operation. Maritime law enforcement operation focus on protecting interstate maritime border and assuring maritime sovereignty, and the Coast Guard conduct operation suppress violation of US law at sea including counter illegal migration and translation organs crime operation. Codified mission of executed under the maritime law enforcement program include drug interdiction, migrant interdiction and live marine rescue for the resource of other law enforcement. Maritime response operation Sea Coast Guard conducting search and rescue operation and rescue mariner and responding maritime disaster. Codified mission includes search and rescue, maritime environment, production of response activity, maritime prevention operation, prevent maritime casualty and property losses, minimize security risk and protect the marine environment. Coast Guard does so developing and enforcing federal regulation, conducting safety and security inspection and analyzing port security risk assessment. And codified mission include port, waterways and coast security, maritime safety and maritime environment environmental protection, maritime transport system management ensures safe, secure and environmental sound waterway system, codified mission including maritime aids to navigate and ice operations. Maritime security operations include activities detect the deter, prevent and disrupt terrorist attack and other criminal act and US maritime domain including execution of anti-terrorism response and select recovery operation mission perform operational element coast guard ports and waterway coastal security mission and complement our maritime response and prevention effort. Codified mission include port, waterway and coast security. Coast Guard's defense operation deploy the Coast Guard globally under the Department Defense of Unified Component Command Center wherever the operate under the Joint Force Maritime Component Command. The codified mission include defense readiness, Coast Guard Command. Yes, Coast Guard organized into two area command and cover the entire globe. Modernization and budget. The interstate has lowered the largest military budget followed by People and the Republic of China, India, Indian Kingdom and Russia. James M. National Defense Authorization Act fiscal year of 2023 established top line of the defense budget by $857.9 billion, Department of Defense receiving $816.7 billion, Department of Energy National Security Program receiving $30.3 billion, 8% increase from the fiscal year of 2022. Department Air Force budget, unlike Department of Army or Department of Navy, has sizable portion of pass through these money not be controlled by used Air Force but is instead by passed other Department Defense Agency and can be 17% of Department budget, giving the impression of the most fund military department actual at least funded by procurement, research, development, test and evaluation, operation maintenance, military personnel and health, military construction, defense and related nuclear program, defense budget and military service, US dollar, Marine Corps, Navy, Air Force, Space Force, Coast Guard, defense wide. Army monetization effort led by Army Future Command and centralized 6 priorities of each priority led by cross-functional team, long range of Russian fire, longer range Russian and Chinese artillery system, extended range cannon artillery program, developing cannon artillery piece of can accurately fire target 70 kilometers away, increase from the 30 kilometer distance current cannon artillery precision strike missile, surface to surface guided missile intended to fire from current M270 multiple launch rocket system, M142 HIMARS replacing their current missile and doubling the rate of the army, also working the missile of defense agency, US Navy and US Air Force of that to develop common hypersonic glide body which army will employ as part of the mobile ground launched long range hypersonic weapon.